If your Windows 11 Dolby Access app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Dolby Access app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Dolby Access app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Apps and Features section. Locate Dolby Access. Click on the little dots to open the Dolby Access app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Dolby Access isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Dolby Access data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Dolby Access is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Dolby Access data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Dolby Access is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. Dolby Access and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Dolby Access again. Search for Dolby Access. Click on Dolby Access app. Press the Get button to start downloading Dolby Access. Wait for Dolby Access to be downloaded and installed. Now your Dolby Access app should be installed. Now open your Dolby Access app.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red, oh.
Now type in your login info. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.